Hello and welcome to my channel. On this channel we talk about how to knit and crochet from very thin yarns. Today we're going to talk about how to make the first row work, because as you see, as I go, I already finished like 30 rows. It's very convenient actually to crochet, because I just hold my work and I just crochet as I would have crocheted a thicker yarn. So the technique is the same, but the trickiest part is the first row, the most tricky row in the entire process. As you see, so 1, 2, 3, 1, skip 1 and double crochet 1. See how uncomfortable it is to make this first row, skip 1 and go into this one. It's really hard to hold this little thing, because with fine yarn it's so not convenient, and honestly I'm struggling trying to hold this little thing and create. Oh, see how uncomfortable it is. So there is a trick. I have thicker yarn, it's maybe 10 times thicker, and I just pull the thicker yarn through this first square. Why am I doing that? It's because now I have something to hold on while I'm crocheting. So see, I kind of extended this first row. I hold it with my pinky and I just crochet. See how easy it is when you have something to hold on to? I just hold it, and I really like that the whole work is kind of, it's so the entire work became kind of more stable, you know. And I finished the first row. Let's say I'm making a swatch, I'm not making the whole thing. 1, 2, 3, or 1 turn, and I just pull this yarn out and start the second row. And before I start it, I just pull this thicker yarn through the first square, through this square. So see, so much more convenient to crochet it this way. It might seem to you that this thing kind of morphs the whole work. It's okay, it will be okay, because you formed your right squares, and when you pull this yarn out, see, they are fine. It didn't unform them. The yarn didn't do anything, the thick yarn didn't do anything to those squares. Or if you're a little bit concerned, you can pull it through the second row square. So you just, pull it through and hold on to it. And when you're done with your second row, you will see if you still need this support, because if you don't, you see the second, the third row, it's already easy to hold on to the work, so you don't need that extra support. But okay, pull it out and turn. See, do I need an extra support? Yeah, probably I did. Probably I do, so I use the second row square. I pull my yarn through and keep on working. See, I crocheted this almost in real time. It's not that difficult when you have something to hold on to. Okay, and so on and so on. And then you get rid of this yarn and see, you have those nice little squares, or any other pattern that you might be using. So just pull the yarn through the first, I don't know, through this space from the first and second stitch, and enjoy crocheting from fine yarns.